Get high-quality fresh Cape Gooseberry seeds. You can buy seeds from a garden shop or use seeds from fresh berries. Take a small pot having drainage holes at its bottom. Fill this pot with seed starting mix or make your own by mixing some sand in garden soil. Sand will make soil free draining. Spread the seeds on the soil and lightly press with your fingers. You can lightly cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil, about 6 mm deep. Moisten the soil lightly but ensure it is not soggy. Cover the pot with a clear plastic wrap. Place the pot at a warm location in shade with a temperature of around 21 degrees Celsius 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Keeping the pot in direct sun will soon dry the soil, failing in germination. You can keep the pot indoors, its outside temperature is low. Open the pot every few days and spray some water-bound soil to maintain humidity. Poor germination. Older seeds will take a long time to germinate or may not germinate. Sow fresh seeds and provide a warm and consistently moist environment for germination. The seeds will germinate in 1 to 3 weeks. Remove the plastic wrap once the seedlings emerge. When the seedlings develop 2 to 3 sets of leaves, transplant them into the garden or larger pots using nutrition-rich free-draining soil. Plant in full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Water regularly to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering or poor drainage can cause leaf drop or wilting. If you had enriched the soil prior to planting, you need not to add any additional fertilizer. The Cape gooseberry plants will produce flowers in around 70 days after sowing the seeds, then 70 to 80 days for fruits to mature. So you can harvest Cape gooseberry fruits in less than 6 months after sowing the seeds. The fruits are enclosed in tapestry coverings. The berries are ready for harvest when the covering turns brown. So now you know how easy it is to grow Cape gooseberries from seeds and harvest berries in 6 months. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to check out my other videos on gardening tips and tricks. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get informed when I post new videos. Thanks for watching.